I've been using Asana for years to run my business and help my clients organize their operations. And let me tell you, adding visuals and playful elements can help with how you feel about your daily tasks. For example, when I revamped my business hub in Asana with emojis, board covers, and color-coded sections, planning just became more enjoyable. So today I'm showing you how to make your work in Asana more visual and fun with simple additions. Hi, I'm Samantha, here to help you organize and streamline your business operations so that you can save time and mental energy and focus on what you love to do. So if you're a visual person but you haven't played around with Asana's board view, it's time to give it a try. Board view is great for creating a more visual representation of your tasks. Instead of a long list, you can see your work laid out in columns like a digital Kanban board. Here's an example. I use board view to manage my content calendar. Each column represents a stage in the process, from ideas to in progress to published. So when I'm planning content, I can see everything at a glance and quickly move tasks through the workflow. One of my favorite ways to make Asana more visual is by adding in custom covers to tasks. So these covers can include images representing the work or covers for the entire section. For example, when I'm creating content for YouTube, I always attach my thumbnail to the task that represents the appropriate video. This makes it easier to identify the different videos I'm working on and makes it a much more visual experience. And when it comes to section board covers, I like to design branded images that clearly and visually show the different sections. So you can drag and drop any image into an Asana task and then navigate to the board view and it will automatically show up. If this sounds like something you want to try out, all of my templates now come with these covers. So if you're using one of my Asana systems, you're already a step ahead. I've created board section covers for you to either use as is or easily customize to match your brand colors. Emojis might seem small, but they can also make a big impact when it comes to making your workspace more fun. You can use them in task titles, section headers, and project names to add personality and context. I've also recently added these into my Asana templates that I sell as well. So again, if you have purchased these already and you use them, then you are already one step ahead. So for instance, you could use a light bulb emoji for ideation sections, a calendar emoji for scheduled tasks, and a sparkles emoji for projects that are in a growth phase. It's a simple way to make everything feel less formal and more exciting. And really, it helps if you're the type to process better with visuals. So here's a tip. If you're managing a team in the free version of Asana, since you don't have access to custom fields, you can use emojis to indicate task priority or status. For example, you could use a fire emoji for urgent tasks or a party popper emoji for celebratory milestones. Collaboration in Asana doesn't have to be boring either and can be made more fun with visuals. Use task comments to leave feedback or share ideas. Hit the heart icon to celebrate someone's hard work, and don't forget to use Asana's appreciation stickers too. You can even encourage your team to add GIFs. Is it GIFs or GIFs? I think more people say GIFs, and it's supposed to be GIFs, but the spelling of it and the English rules make me always want to say GIFs. Anyway, you can also encourage your team to add in the comments to make your communication more lively. Okay, leave me a comment with either your favorite emoji if you made it to this point in the video, or let me know if you think it's GIFs or GIFs, if you can figure out how to put that into a comment without actually speaking. Okay, so color coding is a game changer for visual organization too. In Asana, you can assign colors to projects or tags to make it easier to differentiate between them at a glance. For instance, you can use green for client work, blue for internal projects, and yellow for personal tasks. This way, when these tasks pop up on your My Tasks, you can easily know where to focus your energy. And if you're on a paid Asana plan, you can add even more colors with custom fields. Okay, so another way to add structure and clarity is by using sections in your projects. Think of these as visual checkpoints that guide you through your work or categories for organizing your tasks. For example, in my client management template for coaches, some of the sections are ongoing tasks, initial session, and offboarding. Each section has its own set of tasks underneath, and as you move through the workflow, you can visually track your progress. You can actually get this template and many more in my Asana Essentials Toolkit, which you can check out at samanthakasbrick.com/AE. And remember, it has all of these visual aspects added to it, from board covers to emojis to the sections already all included. Okay, so from board view to custom covers to emojis, these tweaks can completely change how you experience your tasks and projects. Which of these tips are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about how small businesses are using Asana in 2025, watch this video next. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I will see you next week. Bye.